A pleasant day to you. My name's Steve and I'll be discussing another common topic in Ielts speaking. For today's lesson we'll be talking about technology. Technology has a great influence in modern society and it's one of the topics that may be raised in the first part of the speaking test. Technology tackles the gadgets or equipment people use, as well as the internet, social media sites and emails. They may require talking about the gadgets that you have or use and gadgets that you want to have or used to have, as well as how you use the internet and other online services. In the past lesson, reflecting on the question's grammar was discussed and using conditionals was part of it. In this lesson, conditional as a key skill will be further discussed. Conditional sentences, known as the if clause, are used to speculate about what could happen, might happen, and you wish would have happened. Conditionals discuss factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. Questions containing conditionals should be answered using conditionals. In addition, conditionals may also be used as part of an answer even if the question isn't hypothetical. For instance, using conditionals is an effective way to make a conclusion as discussed in Book 2. There are 4 conditional sentences. Each one expresses a different meaning and degree of probability. 0 conditional sentences are used when talking about general truth rather than a specific instance of something. Both clauses should use simple present tense if the result is guaranteed. First conditional sentences are used to express a situation in which the outcome is likely to happen in the future. The tenses used in first conditionals are simple present and simple future. Second conditional sentences are used for expressing outcomes that are unrealistic or will not likely happen in the future. To construct conditional sentences, use the simple past tense in the if clause and a modal verb in the main clause. Third conditional sentences are used to explain that present circumstances would be different if something different had happened in the past. We use the past perfect tense in the if clause and a modal verb plus have plus past participle on the main clause. The ability to answer conditional questions with accurate grammar will add points to your grammar score. Mastering these conditional sentences will also help you expand your answers if you struggle with elaboration. Now let's look at some questions under the common topic technology. To answer this question, you have to mention some social networking sites you visit. Explain why you like visiting these sites. You can also mention what these sites are used for. You can use adverbs of frequency or 0 conditional to explain how often or when you visit these sites. This question requires mentioning the most important applications in your phone and what they're used for. To expand your answer, evaluate or explain why you like them or why they're significant to you. Observe how the conditional sentence was used in this sample answer. The sample question is a yes/no type. There is no conditional in the question, but the sample answer used 0 conditional to make a conclusion. To conclude, questions that use conditionals should be answered using the same with accuracy. In addition, conditionals can also be used to expand an answer. Technology is a common topic that mainly focuses on internet, gadgets, inventions, modern technology, and how they're used. The questions in part 1 are personal, and there is still a need to use accurate vocabulary and phrases which can be learnt during your preparation time. This ends our discussion. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the recording. Keep on studying, and until next time.